Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you my favorite hair mask to get that smoothened hair.
So yes guys, this mask is super simple and you just need only 2 ingredients. You'll be needing these 2 eggs and then all you need is just some melted ghee. And now we're just taking the only egg white from the 2 eggs. So in case if you have got like dry scalp guys, you can also use like yellow instead of like white. So just because I have got like oily scalp, I'm gonna use the egg white. In case if you have got like normal hair, you can just use the whole egg as well. So yeah, we're just dropping the egg white. And now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of melted ghee into this egg white mixture. As ghee is loaded with antioxidants and fatty acids, it deeply conditions the dry hair. Now we're going to give a good blend to this mixture until the both ingredients kind of like combine well. After mixing it well, this is how the consistency of this mask will look like guys. And now we're going to apply this on the hair.
Okay guys, so I just made my hair a little damp because the mask sits on the damp hair a lot well than a dry hair, and also it won't get like messy. So I'm just taking a towel and I'm gonna put this like this because you know, in that way it will not fall on my PJs. Just gonna apply this on my hair, mainly concentrating it on this roots region, okay, because this is where we have like most of that dry ends. On the top section as well. You can also massage this into your roots guys, so in that way it will also help with the, you know, that dry flakiness that we get in winters in that scalp. So I'm just giving a hair massage. Be a bit you know, like sticky and messy, but don't worry because it's egg and you know, like that ghee, so it's gonna be a bit sticky. So I'm just tying off my hair with a rubber band. Yeah, I just tied my hair with a rubber band and I just kept that in place with a clip. So we just have to put this mask on for 30 minutes and then wash it off with some lukewarm water. So yes guys, this is how my hair looks like after masking. So I just like washed my hair with some lukewarm water and then I just dried my hair and that's it. This is how my hair looks like. So yeah, so this mask is super good mask for someone with dry hair guys. So you know what, like egg has that really nice vitamins in it, like vitamin A, E and biotin in it, which actually helps for hair growth and hair fall. So when you just kind of like massage that on the scalp, it promotes really nice hair growth. And also because egg is rich in proteins, so egg kind of like helps to get that really nice shine and moisture to the hair. And also like ghee. So ghee is again a very good ingredient to get that punch of like literally the boost of moisture to the hair, and also that really nice boost of shine to the hair. And they also say that ghee helps with premature aging and with gray hair. So this is like a very good super duper mask for someone with dry hair. You can just use it like once in a week or like once in 10 days and the results are so good guys. You'll just get that really nice shiny, well moisturized, you know, like very hydrating hair. You don't even need to use any sort of like extra conditioner when you use this mask, but if you just want a little bit of extra hydration, you can do that, but I just don't use any sort of conditioner when I use this mask. This mask actually adds like a lot of good moisture and shine to my hair because of the egg and ghee. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I hope you guys will like this video. In case if you try this mask, do let me know guys. I would love to know your review and your thoughts about it. So yeah, also if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That means so much to me. And also do follow me on my Instagram because I'll be putting up like a lot many makeup and beauty related videos on my IGTV. So in case if you want to check that out, follow me on my Instagram as well. I'll be linking the direct link in the description box below. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.